Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of TechRefer. So this is a problem I got on my iPhone 6s, which is just stuck here on the Apple logo, and I just want to stop my phone after I update my iPhone device. And just want to fix now here on this video. Let me show you how we can fix it. Okay my friends, if you got this kind of problem on your iPhone device, you are in the right place. Let me show you how we can fix it. Just open the browser and go check out for my video description below. Click on the link. You will be here on iPhone debug software website, and you can download it by clicking here on free download. Even you can subscribe for the full version of this software. And I already installed to my PC. Let me open and show you how we can fix our iPhone device. Once I just open my software, make sure your PC does have the internet connection, and just close this one. We have recover from iOS device, recover from iTunes backup, recover from iCloud, and the last one is going to fix iOS system. Choose the standard mode, then click on next. But before this, make sure you have to connect your phone with USB cable, and this is the instruction about how we can get our iPhone device in DFU mode. So if you have iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, you can use this guide, but I'm going to choose the other device now. Let me show you how we can get our iPhone devices in DFU mode. Keep press the power and middle button of your iPhone device at the same time, then leave the power button but still be here on the middle button once you got a notification sound in the PC. And you can see I got the download firmware page just here on my software, and now it's time to download the firmware of my iPhone device just here on this software. You can see this is the model and the firmware version, so it will take like half hour to download all the firmware package, so that's why you just have to wait, or I will take my video in speed. So let's go ahead to do this. As you can see, the fixing of my iPhone device has been done just here on this software. It's time to close the software and let's go ahead to check our iPhone device. Once I close my PC, you can see the iPhone's now installing the firmware which got from my PC with that software. So that's why we have to wait for it, and it's going to be installed. Then we will see it's going to stuck on Apple logo, or we will get back our iPhone device. And here we go, we unlock and get access to our iPhone device. So let me unlock my phone's screen, and you can see I have the same setup I had before. I just got that problem iPhone device. When I check my gallery, let me check my photos, everything's okay, nothing. It's not delivered from my iPhone device, so it's all bad. How can fix your iPhone device when it's just stuck on the Apple logo? So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you on the next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye, peace.